Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the Subaru again. Yay! Sorry, I just mumbled. Anyways, so we're going to be working on the Subaru, doing the rear fenders finally. Right here, I got a piece of 20 gauge sheet metal yesterday for this project. Thin enough to be easy to work with, strong enough to do what I need it to do and stop rocks from coming off the tires. So I'm going to go ahead and get a couple of pieces of this cut, and we're going to start forming it onto the fenders, and I'll get back to you guys after these are cut out and ready to go. Talk to you in a minute. Bye. And we're back. It's a little bit later in the afternoon than I initially planned on getting to this point at, but we've made some progress. I went to start attaching things, and well, I realized I was out of C25 gas, so I had to run in, get to my supplier, and get some more of that. So it is what it is. It slowed down the day, and it made it so that I might not get these done by the time it's dark. But here they are. This is a very rough cut form, but what the plan is these are cut contoured to the body of the car, and once I start tacking them in place, wonderful, that just all fell down. Anyways, as I start tacking them in place, I'll bring the contour up and I'll steadily change it to the form that I want, because I want to kind of keep the roll a little bit, but I don't want, when the tire bottom's out, I don't want it to touch the fender or the new over fender section. So, and then once I'm done with those, I'll come back in, I'll smooth everything out. I might apply a thin coat of body filler, but the goal is to not use more than I absolutely have to, if I even go to do it. I might just bed liner them and call it a day because, well, it's an off-road car and I really just do not care that much. I've got other projects to be working on, like the front fenders need done. I need to solidify the back end of the front fenders. I need to make the hood scoop. I need to do a whole bunch of little stuff. And I've got 2 weekends left to get it done. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to keep you guys in for this one. I'm going to at least get one of these put on tonight, and we'll see where it gets from there. Okay, so quick explanation. These two fender flares may not be exactly matching. The reason for that being, I've already rallied this car. There's not a straight panel on this car from before I got it, when it was a salvage title vehicle. So if you're expecting these to be perfectly symmetrical panels, no. Are they going to be very, very close? As close as I can make them. I will spend however much time I have to make them very close. But they're not going to be perfect. Just a heads up before we get started. You guys are going to be facing down while I get this driver's side one tacked in place and started. And then we'll work on the passenger side in a little bit. We're going to see how much daylight we have left by then. But I'm hoping to get both of these attached tonight and at least start forming them. And we're back. So, those are not my prettiest welds. I didn't really need them to be pretty. Sorry, the camera's off tilt. Those welds didn't need to be pretty. They need to be functional. Now, it didn't help that the thin metal the body's made out of kept blasting through, even on like settings that should have been too cold to weld to it and were too cold to weld it. It would blast through the body. Japanese metal, in my opinion, yes. But it is what it is. It's the car I've got to work with. From here on out, it's going to be finite details. I've got to get the passenger side fender flare done. This is not the finishing point, though. I do want to emphasize that. This is just getting the cover on. I've yet to form this metal. I've yet to spend the time, getting it to take the exact shape I want. And the next video, I will be doing that. It's going to be a great, I guess, how-to, kind of. I haven't done this in a while, where I notch it and shape the metal and get everything to overlap. But you guys will see exactly what I'm talking about. You don't have to have $1 million worth of equipment, or even $100,000 worth of equipment to get something that looks cool. You just got to have some imagination. If you guys want to, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to, feel free to dislike it. Do what you want. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm far more active on Instagram. And actually, these pictures will be posted on there tonight. And this video will be going up tomorrow, my time. Today's Saturday, it'll be up Sunday. So I hope everybody enjoys watching these videos. And feel free to leave a comment about what you like and you dislike on the channel. Have a nice day, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.